Welcome back to the channel. Today we're bringing you an exciting list of 10 classic cars, including rare finds and project cars that are available right now. Whether you're looking to restore a classic or searching for parts, this lineup has something for everyone. Let's dive in. This 1976 Mercury Cougar XR-7 is a project car, but it comes with a strong-running 351-watt engine paired with an automatic transmission. It's not roadworthy at the moment as it's losing coolant, has no brakes, and was damaged by a tree branch near the rear window. However, it moves and stops using the e-brake, and the transmission shifts smoothly. The floors, trunk, and frame are solid, making it a good candidate for restoration or use as a parts car. Located in Olathe for $1,000, this Cougar will need to be towed. Next up, we have a rare 1973 Plymouth Satellite, one of just 13,570 sold that year. Powered by a 225-size slant-6 engine with a manual 3-speed transmission, this Satellite runs well but needs some body work. Originally gold with a white vinyl top, it has since been repainted, but the trunk floor and rear frame rails need replacement due to rust. The car isn't roadworthy, but can be driven onto a trailer. If you're looking for a rare project car, this one is priced at $4,200 in Olathe. Here's a rare find, a 1973 Opal GT with just one owner since it was purchased new in 1974. This rust-free beauty has had major bodywork done in the early 2000s and was repainted candy apple red. While the body, engine, and transmission are in good shape, the interior needs some work. The seats need reupholstering, and several gauges, including the speedometer and gas gauge, are broken. The odometer reads 91,134 miles, but the actual mileage is closer to 115,000. It's priced at $5,000 in Lincoln, Nebraska. This 1980 Cadillac DeVille has 43,000 actual miles and is a nice project car with a clean title. It's not perfect as it needs a tune-up and some brake work. The rear driver's side hub and brake shoes were removed to get it unstuck after sitting for a while. With some TLC, this could be a great classic to restore. It's priced at $3,200 in Sulphur Springs, Texas. Next, we have a 1970 Chrysler Convertible with a big block engine and automatic transmission. The engine runs well, but the car needs restoration. With 95,000 miles on the odometer, this could be a great project for someone looking to bring a convertible back to life. It's priced at $1,475 in Virginia Beach. This 1976 Ford F-100 truck is a solid project with new tires, brakes, and rims. It's powered by a 302 engine and has a C4 automatic transmission. While it's a two-wheel drive and needs some work, the foundation is strong for a great restoration. Located in Williamstown, New Jersey, this F-100 is available for $3,000. This 1973 Chevy Malibu has been sitting for 12 years since the owner's son went off to college. It features a 355 engine, rebuilt transmission, and 390 gears with posi traction. While it has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this Malibu will need some work to get back on the road. It's priced at $2,500 and located in East Longmeadow. Here's a Survivor from 1970, a Chevy Caprice with 41,000 original miles. The car is mostly intact, though the transmission is missing and it will need some restoration. The matching numbers engine is included but not installed. This Caprice could be a great foundation for a restoration project, and it's available for $2,350 in Randolph. This 1980 Plymouth Volare has been stored in a garage since 2010 and has not been started or driven since then. It has 83,737 miles on the odometer, though the seller isn't sure if that's accurate. If you're looking for a garage-stored project, this Volare is available for $1,500 in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. Last but not least, we have a 1955 Ford Crown Victoria that's not running, but comes with a newer 302 automatic engine. The trunk is solid and the floors are in decent shape, making it a good restoration candidate. Located in Amherst, Wisconsin, this Crown Vic is priced at $4,500. That's it for today's lineup. If any of these classics caught your eye, be sure to act fast before they're gone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car finds. See you in the next video.